Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change phone number on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you open up Facebook app and tap on right here three dot icon and tap on setting. You can see that Meta Account Center. Tap on see more is Account Center. Scroll down, can see that Account Center and personal details. Tap on this. Already you can see the contact info. You can select your phone number and delete another number. You can see the delete number. Tap on delete. Tap on delete number. Tap on delete. Two one four zero five 214056. Tap on continue. Thanks for my watching to video. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my